Hello everyone, welcome to .NET Technical. Today I'm going to start top 30 ASP.NET Core interview questions and answer series, which are most frequently asked in top MNCs. This will provide your help in the interviews. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. So let's get started. The first one is what is .NET Core? .NET Core is a general purpose framework that may be used to build software applications for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. .NET Core is the most versatile framework and can be used to build all kind of software applications like Windows applications, web application, mobile application, and APIs. .NET Core is a newer version of .NET Framework which is cross-platform, means supporting Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and can be used in device, cloud, and embedded IoT. IoT is just Internet of Things. Next one. What is the difference between .NET Core and the .NET Framework? .NET Framework. The .NET Framework is a software development framework from Microsoft. It provides a controlled programming environment where software can be developed, installed, and executed on Windows-based operating system. It is not cross-platform, means it is only work with Windows, not work with macOS and Linux. .NET Core. .NET Core is an open source general purpose development platform maintained by Microsoft and the .NET community, like GitHub. But the .NET framework is not an open source. It is only maintained by Microsoft. .NET Core is cross-platform, means supporting Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and can be used to build device, cloud, and IoT applications. Next one. What is ASP.NET Core? ASP.NET Core is an open source framework where we can develop multi-type of applications like web applications, mobile application, and IoT. ASP.NET Core is a cross-platform framework for building modern cloud-based applications. ASP.NET Core application run on .NET Core, a free cross-platform and open source application runtime. Cross-platform. The main advantage of ASP.NET Core is that it is not tied to only Windows operating system. Like the legacy of the ASP.NET framework, you can develop and run production-ready ASP.NET Core application on Linux or a Mac. High performance. It is designed from scratch, keeping performance in mind. It is now one of the fastest web application framework. Open source. It is open source and actively contributed by thousands of developers all over the world, like GitHub. Both the ASP.NET and the ASP.NET Core run on C#, an object-oriented programming language. ASP.NET Core inherits many concepts and features from ASP.NET heritage, but it is fundamentally a new framework. Next one, what are the features provided by ASP.NET Core? Or we can say, what are the advantages of the ASP.NET Core? Following are the core features that are provided by ASP.NET Core. Built-in support for dependency injection means we are not using any third party for achieving the dependency injection in ASP.NET Core, like the ASP.NET or the ASP.NET MVC. Single programming model for MVC and Web API. In ASP.NET Core, MVC and Web API merge into one. .NET Core is an open source and cross-platform. Open source means it is maintained by Microsoft and as well as the .NET community like GitHub. And the cross-platform means it is supported Windows, Linux, and macOS. Built-in support for logging framework and it can be extendable. Multiple hosting way are supported in process and out of process. So there are two type of hosting environment. The first one is in process, the second is out of process. There is no web.config file like the ASP.NET or ASP.NET MVC. We have appsetting.json file, so we can store all the custom configuration into the appsetting.json file. There is no global.asx file. We can now register and use these services into startup class. Provide protection against CSRF attack. www root folder for static file. Static file means CSS file, JavaScript file, and images. All are merged into one folder. Next one, can ASP.NET Core work with the .NET Framework? Yes, ASP.NET Core work with both .NET Core Framework and the .NET Framework. Do comments on my videos if you have any questions and suggestions. Thanks for watching.